Sunblazer,
How's it going? Happy
Aquacal
Saturday
heater
to everybody.
repair.
We're here working on this heat pump. This is a Sunblazer. I think it's manufactured by Aquacal. This unit was telling us that it had a very high temperature on it. The temperature sensor went bad, and let me show you exactly where it's at. All right, so we had to remove the whole top half of the heater here, and the sensor is located right down there. Then we got to follow that wire all the way back up to the main board just to replace it out. All right, so after I released it, it actually located right here. So I took two flatheads and I pried it up out of the way. There goes the clamp right there. Now I got a bucket I can stand on. See if I can move this over just a little bit more. There. And I'm gonna go on the front and find it and fish it out. Looking for the wire. Here goes my wire. Follow it up. This is blue connector. There it is. All right, goes the contents that came in the box right here. Just gonna get my sensor because I'm gonna retain the same clamp. I'm not sure what that's for because this already has a plug. This is probably for a different option. I'm gonna go ahead and fish this new sensor back through. All right, got my connector around the clamp. Just gotta pull it through. Get him home. There we go. set our set point. Video here with me on how to fix a heat pump. We work on heat pumps here. We like working on heat pumps. If you have an issue with a heat pump, give us a call if you're in our local area. We'll come out, diagnose it, and give you an estimate for the repair. I'm going to hang out here because it's going cold there and it's hot outside. Thank you so much. Till the next time. Keep it cool, running good.